Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see what is the Antutu score of the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search Antutu Benchmark APK. Now from here, just open this website on your smartphone. Now just wait for a few seconds. From here, just tap on download. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Antutu Benchmark APK to download. And once the APK is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on Antutu Benchmark and tap on install. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on open. Now from here, just tap on agree. Now from here, just tap on install and test. Now just tap on get from market. Now from here, just tap on the Play Store and tap on always. Now from here, just go back and tap on install and test one more time. Now just tap on download. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds for the Antutu benchmark test to download. Now from here, just tap on settings. Now just enable this toggle. Now once you do that, just tap on install. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds and tap on open. Now from here, just tap on agree. Now to start the Antutu benchmark test, just tap on start test. Now from here, just wait for a few minutes for the Antutu benchmark test to complete. Now, as you can see, the Antutu benchmark test has been completed, and the Antutu score of the Samsung Galaxy A26 is 6,06,424. And this is how you can check the Antutu score of the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.